If you want to post multiple photos in one Instagram story, this video is for you. I will explain how to put multiple pictures on Instagram story in 1 minute. On your Instagram homepage, click the plus logo to create a new story. Choose a camera, then take a random picture. Click the 3 dots in the top corner, then select Draw. Choose the color that you will make the background of your story. Click and hold your cell phone screen briefly to change the background color. Click the sticker logo, scroll down, then click the plus icon. You can repeat this step to insert multiple photos. You can also adjust the size and position of each photo. After you finish entering all the photos, click Post to your story. Don't forget to check out my next video. If this tutorial doesn't work for you, please write in the comments your problem. I will try my best to help you. And I would really appreciate it if you would hit the like and subscribe button.